Hello folks, good afternoon. Welcome to another video. Actually, good evening. It's almost 8 in the in the evening and we have a beautiful sunset right now, but there's some thick clouds right there so you cannot see it, but to be fair, this is the view and it's really cool. So we're walking here the Avenida of Puerto del Carmen. It's 2nd of May, so yeah, happy day. We went there last night, Peking Duck buffet, Chinese, and it's never failed, you know. It's very nice and tasty around, and it's fresh. It's not very greasy as some Chinese restaurant around here. You know, you have your own choice. You can go whenever you want, but I highly recommend that place if you want to have like a Chinese buffet. They do have, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. Beautiful weather. Wow. It's hot today though. I'll make a video this afternoon as well, so maybe you can see that tomorrow, and this one the next day for sure. One video at a time. I always bring my camera just in case, so right here now I have time to film, so let's make another video here in Puerto del Carmen. Yeah, different hours of course. Look at that. Wow, Harry Lemons, they're working well, especially in the evening. You know, they have some karaoke right there, and it's very fun. Everybody's laughing and enjoying. You know, the restaurant as well, they're opening up. I forgot my shades right now, so I feel different looking at the camera. But yeah, it's almost nighttime, so no need for sunglasses, yeah. You know, in this part of the Puerto del Carmen, well, this part of Avenida, there's a lot of shops are closed there, you know, especially the coffee shop that we used to go with me and my wife, you know, when they open a new one. I just went there for a video and the next day they are closed. And I messaged the owner and he said they're lacking of employee, so I don't know. And I asked him if they're gonna open again, and said yeah, we do, but we don't know when. That's the thing, so it's fine. Hola. So yep, greatest day here in Puerto del Carmen. You know, I always do like small businesses. I point the camera in because, you know, try to help them a little bit to be known, so people will come. I hope, you know, help a little bit. That's what I'm doing sometimes when I see a small business opening up. I just point the camera and tell them. But I've been there, you know. I try it once. That's why I recommend. If it feels different, well, we're gonna tell you it's not okay, but as long as it's alright, that's the thing. Look at this diamond bar, very good, eh? They're all busy out there. Look, there's a lot of people walking along, so this is very nice weather. Nice people. Oh look, it's fast. Golden Corner. Still working, you know, day and night. They have some live music and they have some cheap breakfast. Alright. That's the thing. Restaurant Volcano. Everybody's enjoying, you know, it's working well, so it's great. It's good to see things are working well, so that's all I ask, you know, the place work. If the place work, it's fine. Everybody have a, you know, a little bit of something. Because if it doesn't work, everybody don't have any jobs. A restaurant being closed, that's not good, you know. there's a lot of people here just working normal. So, and I see a lot of people putting their business now, you know, they're owning their own business. They don't want to work anymore, they just want to own some business. So good for them, you know. I hope we do one day, but for now, for the crisis that we have, everything's like, wow, everything expensive. Putting a business in this kind of situation, I don't know. But maybe if you're in the good spot, let's say you're in the good spot like this one, Puerto del Carmen, you know, first line, like Palm Bay, gonna work for sure. But it really depends on your people. If you have people just like us, or maybe someone who work well, maybe you can work it out. But I'm being honest, you know, there's a lot of business now. They're opening up for a couple of months and they close it again. Like what happened to that coffee shop that we used to come. Now it's closed. So this is a very random video. I just open the camera and keep on rolling. There's some people waving right there. They're very happy to see it. I'm doing some video nowadays. So temperature for today, let's see. I always forgot to tell you guys what's temperature for tonight. So this is it. There you go. 22 degrees, 21 degrees right now. You see? The same as the afternoon. I don't know if this is correct or accurate, but I think it is, you know. It's getting chill. When the sun is out, getting chill. Maybe we go down about 19 to 18, something like that. But most of the time it's in 20s, so yeah. I hope you can hear me well. I'm just talking nonsense, you know. I just keep on talking while the camera is rolling. You know why? Because it's so loud in some places. So, and there's a lot of music as well, so I need to talk. So we don't have any copyright. But yeah, happy days here. People everywhere. They're very happy. Because of the weather, of course. And cheap lights. And cheap food. Cheap hotel. Nice place, you know. Gayon. It's empty. That's weird. Palm Bay. Oh, they're always full of people. Palm Bay. Never get tired. Palm Bay. They're all busy. Look how busy my place is. Michu, you're the best. Just you pass through Palm Bay, it's just very busy. So let's have a quick look of the beach right now. It's very calm at the moment. And yeah, low tide. So there's a lot of algae around. You see the green one? I hope you can see it in the camera right there, green. And there's two Chinese girls right there picking up some things. Wow, it's a very nice day today, right? The sunset is there. Let's have a closer look. I don't know if we can make it in the sunset. Let's see it. Right there, you know, the hotel, the big hotel right there. Let's see. Let's try the sunset. Let's find it. And messy hair. Someone just take a photo with me and have a messy hair. It's alright. Who knows? One day I'm gonna be bald, so nah. Not care of it. It's better, you know, much easier. No more hair to dry. But as long as I still have hair, let's try. See, sunset is there, folks, and the clouds is just right there. And it's really bad. but still nice. You can see the silhouette of the, you know, just cooling down like this, like that, going down. So anyway, folks, I'm just having a great time walking around, and all the people that I met. Big shout out to you people, and to all the people that went to the restaurant, even a subscriber or not subscriber. Thank you very much for supporting, and of course, you know, our channel. There's a lot of new subscribers right now. Welcome to Vince PH World. This is my world, Puerto del Carmen. Not going anywhere. Look, this is the most beautiful spot I ever did. Right here. This is the sunset right now, and yeah, I think it's better too much closer. You know, this morning, well, this afternoon when I went out for a video, there's a high tide, but yeah, people are still there and enjoying the beautiful view, Playa Grande. So that's how they do it, you know, enjoying life. The sunset is there. I'm supposed to meet my family at the Dos Mil coffee shop. I said I'm gonna film a little bit so people can see what's going on here. There you go, sunset. There's a lot of clouds, so you're not gonna see the sunset, but you get my point. That's the best view to find the sunset right now. So we're back here. Let's see Puerto del Carmen at night. It's 8 p.m. ladies and gentlemen. We still have sunshine, so good for Lanzarote. I'm hurting my knees, I don't know why, left and right. I went for cycling today for an hour, just an hour, and it's hurting. Maybe it's adjusting. I don't know why. I'm getting older. My goodness, I'm getting old. But this place has never been old, you know. Never get old, sorry. Beautiful this one. This afternoon, this is full of people. A lot of them lying down there enjoying life. That's how they do it. So here am I. Here I am in the most beautiful place of Puerto del Carmen, the Avenida, the most famous one, a well-known place. You know, every time you hear Lanzarote, Puerto del Carmen is in the map. So you're not gonna miss a thing. Especially there's a lot of videos coming here in Puerto del Carmen. Me and Benny PH TV, Amoroso TV, we share video every single day. You know what's going on here, what's happening. You know, see the place every single day in their videos. Me, I'm quite late. You know, like today, I filmed in the morning. Maybe you can watch that tomorrow, and this one maybe you watch it in the other day. So here we go. My wife just come in, they're arriving, so I'm gonna pick them up. So yeah, folks, I hope you enjoyed this little talk and little walk that we do. I hope you like this one. If you do, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Well, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here now, folks. My wife is coming in, and thank you for watching and enjoying the vlogs, and see you in the next episode of our video. Woo, very busy tonight, look. They are so busy. There they are. They are. So look at Centro Atlanticos. Very busy now. Hey, hey. Oh, there. There's the family. Yay! Baby! Yay! How are you? Mangulit ko ba doon?
No.
No? So I'm with the family now. So thank you for watching and enjoying the vlog. And see you in the next episode, guys. Bye bye. See you later.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Okay.